What is up, everyone, and welcome back to Too Much Tech. And I just want to start this video off giving a huge shout out to Nacho Customz for painting both of these mice. He painted this one for me. This is gonna be my new main. This is an Endgame Gear XM1r, and then he also painted me a Rocket Burst Pro. One of you guys are going to be lucky enough to win this Rocket Burst Pro. This one is also one of my favorite wired mice. The Endgame Gear XM1 and the Burst Pro, for me personally, they trade blows in terms of like the shape and which is more comfortable and whatnot. I kind of like the Burst Pro because it's taller, but the XM1r is wider at the back. So with that being said, I'm going to be maining the XM1r now. I really do love like this paint job that Nacho did. Like basically it's got like a white fade going to blue at the back, and then it's got orange at the bottom as well, obviously with all my favorite colors. And then the Burst Pro, we've got a white fade at the top, blue going to the bottom, obviously very similar. And then we have a black and orange side button with an orange DPI button up top. So I do think that the Burst Pro looks pretty clean. It would be nice for one of you guys to have as well, to have your own mouse painted by Nacho Customz. The rules are going to be really simple. You have to follow both me and Nacho Customz on Twitter, and you also have to retweet my post. That's going to contain all the details of the giveaway as well. It is going to be US only, just to let you guys know. So the shipping obviously is going to be covered by me. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Huge thank you to Nacho for painting these two mice for me. They're both beautiful, and I hope that one of you guys loves the one that you get as well. But this XM1r, I'm gonna show you guys some gameplay as well as my live unboxing and reaction to this mouse. I unboxed it live on Twitch. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and also don't forget to enjoy the gameplay after the stream highlights. Kyle, I'm kind of sus. What you mean? What you mean? Who is George? George, that's actually my boy IRL. Smashed some steak a couple days. Why you say it like that though? Man, what the? Smashing some steak. Okay, all right, look. We went to Texas Roadhouse. Literally eating steak. What keyboard do I recommend under 240? That's a hard question. That's a hard question. Reason why I say it's a hard question is because I have a lot of stuff that I've bought at all price ranges, to be honest. All price ranges. And I don't really have like 100% like for certain like recommendations like, yo, you get this, you're gonna be happy. Because I myself, I haven't found it yet. That's why I have like no main keyboard. Low key, I just built my main, or the board that I think is gonna be my main. I just built it. I'm gonna show you guys the first mouse that he did for me, and then I'm gonna unbox the XM1r. And this first mouse, we're gonna be giving away too. This light's probably like a little too bright. What's up? Everybody popping into the stream with the follows? What's going on, guys? It's so hard to call myself a gamer nowadays because like I barely have time. I go to work, I work a lot, and then I come home. I also work on videos and stuff, and it's like, geez. We got the Nacho Customz 2021 edition XM1r. I still haven't looked at it yet, so we're about to be experiencing all of this together for the first time. Oh. The lights are like so bright though. It's like completely blown out. Oh my, it's so hard to see. Oh my god, in person it looks so good. I gotta take some like shots of this with my camera. Oh my god, the orange bottom looks so clean. Bought several games, don't play them. Dude, I probably got 50 games I bought and haven't played them. Dude. And it still has like a solid like matte coating. Oh my god. I wish you, I'm gonna show it when I do the video. I'm gonna throw some B-roll and stuff because I am gonna cut this and like upload it and whatnot. But yo, the fade job is so clean. We should call Nacho a barber, bro. And I haven't used the XM1 like as my main mouse probably since the XM1r came out. Oh my god, this thing looks so good. I love looking at it. This thing looks so freaking good. On stream, it looks like it's glowing because I got this black mouse pad. Let me see if I get another mouse pad if it looks better. It looks a little bit better. I wonder why it's like going crazy though. This thing looks so clean. Yo, that man Nacho truly did a good job. Holy crap. If I would have hit that, I would have went brazy. I was trying too hard. You thought, come on now. This is like a really good map for like shoddy snipes. Like you can see. There's some like. What? Ah. Wow. The shoddy is kind of cheese though. Like it's a real easy 2-hit kill. Shouldn't be pulling up all of my face like that, cuz. One damage? One damage, Jesus.
That guy. What didn't kill? Oh no. It does. I was gonna say, I don't know how to get here. Oh, another one. Wow. Bye. Another one. Bye. Oh, I thought I was rolling. I got green. Wow. I know you're around here. Smell you, I just can't see you. Oh, okay. Oops, that was a hole that I was not expecting. Whoa, now, calm down. Stand here in the corner. But here's the best part. They're like, yeah, the parts are in Romulus. It takes 5 days for them to come in. I was like, dude, I will go get you the parts from Romulus and be back in like 35 minutes. Like, what do you mean 5 days for have a free and clear payment? Wow, these guys are tryhards. I did really well last game. I need to get this game. Wow, okay. He has 6 health. Why does that keep happening? 6 shots? Killing spree. Got it. We're winning this? No, we're not. I'm struggling with playing hard. Boom, got one. Bye, J-Rad, King. Oh, wow. King Slayer. I'll check that out. That's what I wanted to do. Wow, wow, he almost stay together, maybe we can get back up. Right here, he got me somehow. Wow. Wow, that guy came up the. Nice job. That guy came at the portal and just wrecked me. Wait. Okay, he's gonna go through. That's his. Where? J-Red, where are you hiding? Victory!